Give me the marshmallows.
Give me the gun.
Give me the marshmallows.
Give me the gun, now give me the marshmallows.
Give me the marshmallows.
Give me the gun first, now give me the marshmallows.
You mean the way that hooker gave you the aid? Throw a marshmallow at me. I gotta. I will. Hold on, this is gonna take us loud. This is charging. Hold on, I need to pause this. That hurt.
I'm shooting it at a target.
Fuck you. Okay. Okay, not me.
I'm not a target. Okay.
Not it. So, Ed, guess who's left? Oh, you bastard. El Cannon. You bastard! You bastard!
It didn't even hurt me from, like, right there.
Yes, here's the thing, I'm not fat. Ah, you dig, it didn't even hurt.
Got marshmallow on my head, Matt.
Yeah, my turn.